In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a searchable drop-down list in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets file. You can do this in a new blank spreadsheet or in an existing one where you want to control what people can enter. Click the cell or highlight the range of cells where you want the drop-down to appear. Taking a moment to select the correct area now is important, because the drop-down rule will apply to whatever you have highlighted. Next, go up to the top menu and click Data. From that menu, choose Data Validation. This opens the Data Validation panel, where you can create rules that limit entries and add drop-downs for fast, consistent selection. In the panel, click Add Rule. You will see different rule types. Click Drop-Down, and then switch it to Drop-Down from a range. This option is what makes the drop-down list pull its choices from cells in your sheet, instead of typing each option manually. It is also the setup that supports searching within the drop-down, which is especially helpful when your list is long. Now click into the range box and highlight the cells that contain the list of options you want to show in the drop-down. Make sure you highlight only the list items and not extra blank cells, because blanks can appear as empty choices in the drop-down. If your list is on another part of the sheet, you can scroll to it and highlight it there. After you have the correct range selected, open Advanced Options. This is where you can review any extra settings tied to how the drop-down behaves and displays. Once everything looks right, click Done to save the rule. Now test it. Click one of the cells where you applied the validation rule. You should see a drop-down appear in the cell. Click the drop-down, then start typing into the field to search through the available options. As you type, the list should filter so you can quickly find the value you need, and then you can click the matching item to select it. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.